So today, I'm actually boosting this lawnmower. I got my old VF11 turbo off of the original turbo off of my Legacy, and I'm gonna try and figure out how to make this thing work. This is just part of a stock up pipe I have. I cut it in half so that it can sit like that, and it just bolts to the stock turbo just like that. So yeah, basically what I'm gonna have to do is I'm going to have to make these two, or weld these two together, and then once it's welded I can put the turbo on like this, and that's about how it should sit. My idea here is to take this washer and weld it onto the up pipe like that, and then once it's welded I can drill this hole out to meet the circumference of this pipe, and then I'll just weld around that pipe. As far as the charge pipe goes, it's just an old radiator hose we had sitting around, so it's pretty simple. Just hose clamp here and to the intake or throttle body, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's make this thing work. Alright guys, well, we got this welded here. They weren't very nice welds, but nothing a grinder can't fix. So now we need to drill this hole out so that this pipe, I'm going to make this flush, and this pipe is going to go in there. We'll just weld a nice bead around that, and that shouldn't leak or anything. So yeah. guys, so we got this up pipe, this whole board out, enough to fit this, and I cut this flush as well, and it just fits in there, and we'll build a nice bead around it. Then we'll bolt this back up and get the turbo put on. So. Alright guys, we got this pipe welded on, so just some beautiful welds, and we're going to bolt this up and start it up without the turbo. Alright, let's start this thing up. Alright guys, so basically the lawnmower, it makes, once it spools the turbo, and then as soon as it finally hits boost, you can feel it take off for a second, and then it just sputters out. So it's leaning out, it doesn't have enough fuel. So I'm going to have to figure out how to get more fuel to that engine when it hits boost. So Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of fun. I plan on working on this thing some more. Trying to get it to hold boost and actually do some pulls. So that would be really cool. So, alright, thanks for watching.